So hello children, let's see how to solve this question. This is the question which is from trigonometry miscellaneous, question number 7. So it is asked by a child. So I'm going to solve this question. Let's see. So here LHS, we have to prove that this is equals to this in this question. So here LHS equals to sine 3x plus sine 2x minus sine x is written. Okay, so now you have to solve. Then how will be solving? Here 3x by 2 is written, fine. And how 3x by 2 will come? If you will be using this, so you don't disturb this, you take these two firstly. So in that case you will be taking sine 3x plus, now here you are going to apply a formula, that is sine c minus sine d. So I am going to write it firstly. So if you are writing sine c minus sine d is equals to 2 cos c plus d upon 2 sine c minus d upon 2. This is the formula. So fine, if you are using this formula, then what to do is, now you will be applying, then you will be getting 2 cos c plus d upon 2 means 2x plus x by 2 and sine 2x minus x by 2. Now this can be written as this will be expanding in the form, here again I am writing another formula, sine 2x is equals to 2 sine x cos x. Either you can say, if 2x is written, then x and x is written. If it will be x only, sine x only, then it will be 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2. Means whatever may be written here, the half of that will be writing here, fine. So similarly, if sine 3x is written, then you can write 2 sine 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2. This you can write, fine. Whatever may be written here, the same half of that will be writing here. So same concept you are going to apply in this question now. So if you will be applying the same condition, the same concept, then now you are going to get, this is 2 sine 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2 plus, here is 2x plus x by 2. So you will be writing 2 cos 3x by 2 into sine x by 2. Now after that, what to do is, out of these two terms something is common. Now we'll be taking common, so 2 and 2 is common, as well as cos 3x by 2, both common. So you'll be taking common cos 3x by 2. Now whatever left is, that you'll be mentioning here, so sine 3x by 2 plus sine x by 2, fine. This is common, so you'll be this is left only, you'll be mentioning here, and the common is written here outside. Now after that, what to do is, here again you are going to apply the formula sine c plus sine d, So here the same thing I am going to copy now next side. So it is written 2 cos 3x by 2, 2 cos 3x by 2, in bracket will be using the formula sine c plus sine d. Sine c plus sine d means 2 sine 3x by 2 plus x by 2 whole by 2 cos 3x by 2 minus x by 2 whole by 2. Now after that you'll be writing like this, and then after that you are getting 2 cos 3x by 2, and here you are getting 2 sine, here 3x by 2 plus x by 2, that is 4x by 2. 4x by 2 means 2x. Numerator it is 2x by 2, and cos, here it is 3x by 2 minus x by 2, it is 2x by 2. 2x by 2 means x only, so x by 2, this 2 will come, but upside it is coming 2x by 2, that is x only. Now after that this 2 cancel, this is sin x, this is cos x by 2, and 2 is multiplied here, so you will be getting 4, this is sin x, this one is sin x, so you will be writing here sin x, then cos 3x by 2 into cos x by 2. So see, the same thing you have to show here, 4 sin x into cos x by 2 into cos 3x by 2. So the same is asked here. So this is what is the answer, and that is R H S, right hand side, and it's proved. So in this way you will be proving. Fine, asked by a child of class 11. So this is the answer. Fine, this is the solution, this is the process. You can see twice, thrice, and you can understand the concept very well. Thank you.